Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the PCV valve on a Pontiac Firebird with the 3.8 liter V6. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so coming under the hood here, if you work your way right here, here's your alternator. Right here you have this little plate held on by two 10mm bolts. Under that plate is your PCV valve. And then once you take these off, remove the plate, there's a little spring, and then we can slide that out. Now to complete this, the only thing you need is a 10mm socket and a ratchet, and then if you're replacing your PCV valve, you would obviously need that. I'll put the part number along the bottom and show you what you would need. Or if you're cleaning it, then obviously you're just cleaning it and putting it back, but that's all you'll need. And you want to be careful as you take these off because that spring can sometimes push up on it. You don't want it to pop the plate and then you lose the screws. And another thing, you want to make sure the engine's cool when you do this because you are right here on top. It can be hot. Okay, and then we can just remove that plate. And then you have this spring, just pull that up slowly, and your PCV valve is connected to it. And there it is. And you can also clean these. If you want to see a video I did on how to clean a PCV valve, you can check it out via the link above. I'll also have it down in the description. Or if it's too bad off, then you may have to replace it. What I did with this one, because it wasn't that bad, we just went ahead and cleaned it out. But if you are replacing it, same process now to put it back in. So we're going to go ahead and drop this back in place, put the plate back on, and that's it. Go ahead and drop it in and just kind of screw it down like that. Get it nice all the way down so that way the plate can go on. And then we'll go ahead and take this plate. You have this little tab that faces out. We'll lay it here. And then I'm going to go ahead and hand screw in the bolts, and then we'll tighten it down with the ratchet. All right, got those tightened in, everything's back in place. Okay, so that wraps up on how to replace the PCV valve on the 3.8 liter V6 engine on a Pontiac Firebird. I hope that this video was informative for you, helped you out with any projects you're working on. If you have any questions or comments, please send them in. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.